This is how to get a backlash out by John. Okay, if you cannot pull this string right here, well, first off, you're gonna want to start pulling the string out, and if you get stuck like this, you're gonna want to look for these little pieces of line that look like they've been put tension on right there, and pull them out, and it should come out like this. If there's more, do the same steps. And you should end up without a backlash. Then you just hold your hand right here, holding the line, and get off the line. Then you just reel it up. And you're ready to go.
This has been John Petrie. Make sure you subscribe to see more videos like this.